Hi, good morning friend. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am in Chandigarh and I want to show you one beautiful place which is known as Rose Garden. People are coming here from across country and enjoy. Let's see what is exciting inside this garden. Let's come to see.
So friends, I'm here in one of the beautiful place of Chandigarh, that is Rose Garden. Dear viewers, as you can see, there are different varieties of beautiful flowers here in Rose Garden. I am trying to show you through the visuals. So right now we have one visitor with us who come from Hyderabad. Let's talk to him about Rose Garden.
And how do you feel? What do you think about this garden?
Thank you very much for asking me this question. I think for the first time I came here in Chandigarh, especially in this Rose Garden. I think it's a very beautiful place, very scenic place, and I think it's a great place for adventure for all the age groups, be it young children or the old age persons. A very nice place.
A rose garden which is spread over 30 acres of land. Former President Zakir Hussain created a rose garden in 1967 under the guidance of Dr. M.S. Randhawa.
I have been in Hyderabad for almost 5 and 6 years. I visited there so many places, and after that, recently I shifted from Hyderabad to Chandigarh, and I think it's for the first time that I'm visiting any place in Chandigarh, and that too is this rose garden, because I have heard a lot of things about this rose garden. So luckily today I got the chance that I came here. All those people who love traveling or who love outing, that they must come to this place and explore this place and see and experience the beauty of this place. The most important thing that we have seen, I think the kinds of varieties of here of roses here. So this is a beautiful place, and everybody should come and everybody should explore this place.
Thank you very much. Nice to talk to you.
Thank you very much.
So friends, do visit here in your life. I hope you enjoy this video, but don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.